means. So fitting for the year 2021 as it helps build inner strength to steer towards renewal and resilience, to endure and emerge successful. It is the inner strength to be firm in our decisions, to have substantial willpower, to know what we want, and have the perseverance to do what we need to do to achieve it.
There are many individual qualities that make up the inner strength: consistency, bravery, and self-confidence. Inner strength is the core motivator that enables us to go on while many give up. May we always find the light within and have the courage to take the chance. Welcome to our 36th Investiture Ceremony and Founders Day.
God, our Heavenly Father, as we celebrate with gratitude the vision and mission of Mr. Louis Emmanuel, heal our world and our bodies, strengthen our hearts and our minds. In these troubled times, give us hope and peace. Instill in us the courage to face the long road ahead. Help us adapt, evolve, and become stronger versions of ourselves. Amen.
Founders Day is the day on which the standard bearers are invested with the moral duty of collaborating to strengthen and achieve the vision and mission of St. Andrew's School. We now have the swearing-in ceremony of the newly appointed captains of St. Andrew's School, Boyenpalli and Kisara.
I invite the parents of the school captains to kindly confer the authority of school captainship to Ria Barnes of St. Andrew's School, Boyenpalli, and Vivan Vincent Dwars of St. Andrew's School, Kisara. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, dear students. I wish you the very best in the year. May you lead your team in the true spirit of leadership. Thank you.
I call upon the parents to officially accord the nominees with the charge of sports captainship. Sports captains Rithika Reddy of St. Andrews, Boyenpalli, and Justi Pujita of St. Andrews, Kisara. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, both of you.
I invite the parents of Abhishek Karthik of St. Andrews, Boyenpalli, and Ganta Sajni Manimala of St. Andrews, Kisara, to kindly invest the nominees with the Office of the United Students Organization. Thank you, parents. All the best to you, students.
I invite the parents of Shruti Sarma of St. Andrews, Boyenpalli, and Sai Netrita D of St. Andrews, Kisara, to kindly invest the nominees with the Office of the Youth for Service. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, children. Wish you all the best for the academic year. Thank you.
I request the parents to honor the captains of Emerald House. For Emerald Gladiators, Satvika of St. Andrews, Boyenpalli, and K. Sai Shweta of St. Andrews, Kisara. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, captains. All the very best. God bless both of you. I request the parents to honor the captains of Ruby House, Shruti S. of St. Andrews, Boinpalli, Aditi Tirkate of St. Andrews, Kisra. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, captains. I request the parents to bestow the charge of captainship of Sapphire House. For Sapphire Knights, Ria P. of St. Andrews, Boinpalli, A. Jagrut of St. Andrews, Kisra. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, Ria and Jagrut. All the best. God bless both of you. Thank you. I request the parents to bestow the charge of captainship of Topaz House. Nipun Sai of St. Andrews, Boinpalli, Mahita Reddy Batam of St. Andrews, Kisara. Thank you, parents. Congratulations, both of you captains.
I invite the parent to officially confer the following nominee from St. Andrews, Boinpalli. Head Chorister, Blessy Karen A. Thank you, parent. Congratulations, Blessy. All the best. Thank you.
I invite the parent to officially confer the following nominee from St. Andrews, Kisara. Head Chorister, Sahiti Mamidada. Thank you, parent. Congratulations, Sahiti.
The school cabinet will now come forward for their solemn pledge, which will be taken by the school captain.
In the presence of God our Father and with you as witness, we, on behalf of the school leadership cabinet, pledge ourselves in the service of St. Andrews School. We solemnly promise to carry out our duties as captains in all honesty and sincerity. We shall lead by example and prove to be worthy ambassadors of our school.
We, the newly elected class captains and members of the United Students Organization, promise to abide by the rules and regulations of our alma mater, St. Andrews School. We pledge to be honest, hardworking, disciplined, and keep our school flag flying high.
A very warm welcome to our managing directors, Mrs. Hyacinth Emmanuel, Mr. Ashish Emmanuel, Mrs. Alana Emmanuel, and also our distinguished guests. Thank you for gracing this occasion on this beautiful day. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. We appreciate and congratulate the following staff for their 25 years of loyal and dedicated service to this organization. On this momentous occasion, we request our director, Mr. Ashish Emmanuel, to felicitate the awardees. It is indeed a proud moment.
Mr. Jude Absalom joined AE Group as a junior executive and is now the Chief Operations Officer of the group. He has donned different caps in this journey of 25 years in the software department to help computerize the organization in the early 90s, played a pivotal role when the group ventured out into international cricket business in Singapore and in Sri Lanka, and also in setting up office in China. His expertise also helped in introducing corporate style office function. Then, as Vice President Procurement and Head of Construction Division, long goes the list of Mr. Jude's accomplishment. A very approachable person, he never shied away from taking on responsibilities. In 2015, Mr. Jude Absalom rightfully earned himself a seat on the board of AE Group. And soon his designation switched from Director Operations to Director and Chief Operations Officer AE Group. The management thanks Jude Absalom for his dedicated service over past 25 years and wishes him the very best for the future. Mr. Satyanarayana. He has been a loyal and hardworking colleague of ours. He joined the organization as a construction site supervisor. His acumen in agriculture was instrumental in the setting up of farming division, not just in Hyderabad but in Goa as well. Over the years, Mr. Satyanarayana has proved himself to be astute in real estate and leasing dealings. He has helped the organization with all types of land acquisitions as well as liaised with several government and statutory departments on daily basis to help with registrations and affiliations required by the organization. His persevering attitude has been appreciated by the organization. We thank him for his service and wish him the very best for his future. Mr. John Manoj, a banker, a former cricketer, a coach and mentor, an administrator par excellence, and a name to reckon with the cricketing circles. His association with St. Andrews School started when he took over the responsibility of coaching the cricket team of St. Andrews School, and in no time, we had the proud privilege of having the best cricket team. Soon, he took over the sports director of St. Andrews School and was instrumental in decision taken by the management to introduce other major sports in school. With each sport, Mr. Manoj brought in the best and top coaches and mentors into the campus. Today, if St. Andrews School is known as one of the top schools for sports, it owes it completely to Mr. John Manoj and his vision. Due to this continuous efforts, Andrewites played the Junior World Cup, represented Hyderabad in Ranji Trophy matches, and won 115 matches with excellent scores. Amongst the well-known cricketers coached by Mr. Manoj, Hanuma Vihari of St. Andrews School, and amongst others, VVS Lakshman topped the list. Apart from his service to St. Andrews School, Mr. Manoj held various appointments at Hyderabad Cricket Association and is currently holding esteemed position of the interim president of Hyderabad Cricket Association. John Sir, as he is affectionately called, an ardent Kishore Kumar fan, he loves watching tennis matches and traveling. The management of St. Andrews School thanks Mr. John Manoj for his unstinted and dedicated service over the past 25 years.
One of the pillars of St. Andrews is none other than Miss Asha Roach. The mere mention of her name brings a smile on everyone's face. A teacher in the true sense, a soft-spoken mentor, a loving guide and facilitator. She is hardworking and meticulous. She is very artistic. Give her any waste product and she waves her magic wand and transforms it into a work of art. She has the same effect on her students. She is pleasant, honest, approachable, and a dedicated teacher. She was a very cooperative and an organized section head for more than 15 years. She is loved by her students and parents as well. We congratulate her on completing 25 glorious years in this organization. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and determination. These words of Vince Lombardi aptly describe the qualities of one of the best Hindi teachers of St. Andrews Junior School, Miss Hazel Anthony. She is not only hardworking, but also meticulous and organized. She is not only passionate about her work, but she is also fun to work with. She has contributed immensely as a Hindi subject head. The love and patience with which she handles the students is noteworthy. Her infectious smile can light up a dark room. And a couple of years back, she also surprised us with her elegant dance moves. Yes, she is also a wonderful dancer and is ever ready to take part in cultural events. We congratulate her on completion of 25 years of service and hope she achieves much more in the years to come.
B. Beulah. Beulah is a very soft-spoken, loving, caring, and most of all, has lots of patience to handle the tiny tots. She is an excellent team player, a very regular and dedicated teacher who works very hard to bring out the best in the students. Wishing Beulah many more successful years ahead. May you continue to be a blessing to this institution. God bless you. Carol Christopher. 25 years of teaching with passion, an integral part of the Andrew White family. A teacher par excellence who has not only taught but has also motivated and made a difference to the lives of 25 different batches of students spread across the world. Indeed commendable. If we were to describe Mrs. Carol Christopher in a single word, we would say inspiring, because she has the ability to bring about a change and thereby make a difference in the lives of her students. An excellent science teacher with a willingness to impart her knowledge patiently to her students is truly inspiring. Her passion for teaching not only extends to science but also into instilling values and life skills. A teacher's words and guidance are like sparks that light up the wicks of imagination in the minds of students. This saying goes well with Carol teacher, whose experience, knowledge, and guidance continue to make a mark in the minds of her students. May you continue to be a blessing to this institution. God bless you. A teacher by profession, a child by heart. Patricia Joseph. It takes a big heart to help shape the smallest of minds. She is recognized for her hard work and creative skills. There was always a welcome freshness in her class each day. tiny tots enjoyed her fun-filled creative classes. She always had a gentle word of encouragement to each one of us, staff and students. She has also been a wonderful colleague. God bless you, Patricia.
With this, we come to the end of this program. I would like to thank each and everyone once again. Congratulations and all the best. Thank you.
Increased flexibility, balance, coordination, and a great outlet for not only energy but also artistic expression. Any guesses what's coming up next? With graceful movements, with perfect coordination and balance, now we have the creative expression of the talented dancers of St. Andrews Schools in Hyderabad. The music moves you. The quick footwork and the flexibility and grace shows a love for life.
With this, the curtain falls on the 36th Founders Day and investiture ceremony. On behalf of all the captains, I would like to thank the school management, principals, vice principals, coordinators, our dear teachers, and everyone who helped in making this momentous occasion happen. Thank you.